My name's Elysia English and welcome to my channel. I'm at my favorite store, McNaughton's Home Hardware, and we're in today to pick up some materials for a really amazing project we're gonna work on this week. My name's Elysia English and welcome to my channel. If you're not already part of our YouTube family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's demo day, so bye-bye Shiplap and hello Boho. This month, I partnered up with Home Hardware to do an amazing project that's going to be on our channel October 17th. We are gonna be demoing this wall to do our project. We need your input on what we're going to be doing with this wall. I have a plan, but I wanna get your feedback. If you saw our Q&A video, you may have heard me say that about a year ago, we sold everything we owned so that we could redesign this space that we're living in. You guys have been asking for a home tour, and so this project is an opportunity for us to show you our main living space. I do love farmhouse decor, but although I make a lot of those items for my handmade business, and so I'm going to be transforming our space from farmhouse to boho, which means that this shiplap has to ship out because it no longer matches my new boho style. We installed this wall 3 years ago using 1/4-inch floor underlay, which we installed to the wall using a brad nailer, and then we painted it white. It's getting a little bit worn out, and our couch has now left some marks on the back, wear and tear with kids, and so we're going to be taking this down and we're going to design a brand new accent wall. This wall change is going to make a huge impact on the design of our living space because this wall is over 25 feet long. I know that a lot of people love shiplap, and just because it's not going to go in my space does not mean that these materials that we use for this wall are garbage. We're going to be reusing these for another project. So I'm going to gather my tools and start removing the shiplap. The next step in this process is removing all of the extra that's on the wall by sanding it down. We're going to be filling and making sure that this whole wall is smooth. And then we're going to transition to do the transformation, which you're going to see on October 17th. We need your feedback on what we're going to do with this wall. I'm going to attach 6 photos in this video. I'm going to number them 1 through 6. I need you to comment down below which style you think I'm using on this wall. This is a really exciting video happening for us on our channel. This is our very first sponsored program, which we're gonna be using on our channel. We're the very first YouTubers ever with Home Hardware to do a sponsorship. Being able to be sponsored by Home Hardware means a lot more to me than just being sponsored by a company. I'm gonna explain more about that on my October 17th video. This video is also important because this is a video that enters you into our October giveaway. We're giving away a silhouette mint on our channel. To enter this giveaway, you need to watch October 17th video where we reveal this amazing wall we're doing, and you're going to have to comment on that video. You also have to be a subscriber to enter. We've already been working on tomorrow's video where we show you what this machine can do. I cannot wait to show you the final reveal on this video as well as our main floor tour. If you've seen a lot of my videos, you're going to recognize a lot of the items that we've used in our videos. I know I say this on almost every single video, but I'm so thankful for all the support and all the positivity that you guys bring to our channel. We have the best community of YouTube family members ever. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.